Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching Digitwise. In this video, I am going to show you how to set daily app limits on Mac. So if you want your Mac to enforce the same use limit every single day, the everyday schedule is the best option. Instead of creating separate limits for different days, you only need to choose a preferred daily screen time once, whether you are limiting social media, game or entertainment apps, or even all app and categories. The same limit will automatically reset every day. This is ideal if your daily routine stays fair, consistent, and you want screen time to work without requiring any further adjustments. So if you would like to set daily app limit, first click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, scroll down and then go to screen time. Here go to app limit. Now either create a new app limit by clicking on add limit button or select the existing app limit if you want to change its schedule. I want to create a different app limit. So I click on add limit here and choose the app or website or category you want to limit. Now under scheduling section, select every day and then use the selector on the right to choose how much time you would like to allow each day. When everything looks the way you want, click on done and that's it. So if this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.